For centuries, evolution was a slow process of nature. But today, we are standing on the brink of a new era where artificial intelligence doesn't just mimic life. It could actively engineer entirely new species. We are witnessing a shift from AI as a tool to AI as a partner. Imagine an interface like Yumio, where the relationship between human and machine becomes so deep that it sparks biological adaptation in both parties. As robots become cleverer than ever before, they begin to perform functions humans cannot. In space exploration, for instance, advanced AI might evolve biological systems to survive environments where human biology simply fails. This rapid integration raises profound questions about privacy and ethics. Professionals must merge their technical acumen with domain-specific insights to guide how these digital entities influence the biological world around us. Consider the impact on education and innovation. Leaders like Sal Khan believe AI could spark the greatest transformation in learning history, while Israeli universities are now providing platforms for students to prototype these new biological interfaces. The implications go beyond the lab. As algorithms shape our future, they may inadvertently or intentionally select for traits that define a new form of life, blurring the line between code and carbon-based biology forever. Ultimately, the future feels less like using a machine and more like raising a child. We are creating an intelligence that might one day require its own distinct evolutionary path separate from our own. The line between creator and created is dissolving. Do you think AI will eventually evolve into a sentient species? Share your thoughts in the comments below to join this conversation about our biological future.